Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Lumosity app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go down, click here on more down here. When just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, so you click here on here mobile notifications. When just click here on mobile notifications here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just come here to sense here and community here. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's me here. Sense and community, it's disabled with us now. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking